Okay fellas, hi everyone, I'm waiting a couple of batteries to be charged and balanced, and I have some mess on my table, but decided to make one thing I have thinking for the really long time. I want to make the battery for myself, and I got this housing. What I like that the LED light is here, and this one have type C. So I don't know, let's just try to make it, and that's all. We will see how it works. Okay, first thing we need to find out where is the plus. Okay, this will be like that. I have the pin here, so we have the B plus here, B minus here, so B plus goes here. Okay, probably I will mark that here. Yeah, the plus. And I will put some stickers. Okay, we have the plus here, so now it's better. Almost made a mistake by swapping the polarity of the cell. Okay, so now just closing it and double checking. Okay, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Here we have the plus, minus, plus, plus, minus. Okay. Basically, now I think I need to put this controller, and yep, that'll be yes. Yeah, probably. Okay. Let's check what we have here for the nickel, and I can see that it's nothing really special about this nickel, and it's tiny strips, but I will use them. It's my battery for testing purposes, so I'm not afraid to break it, burn it or something when testing the power tools. Okay, let's just check if I'm really right for, yeah, this one will go here, 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 here. Okay. We'll put a little bit more power. And it looks really damn good. Okay. Let's check. So this one will go here. Yep. I'm pretty sure they are the same length. Yep. Probably. Yep. Okay, this one looks not bad. We will see, of course, in the end of assemble. Okay. Now we have this one. Okay. Okay, so now we can check what we have here. Now I have a big hope that all the strips will fit perfectly. Yeah, basically they are fitting perfectly. Yep, perfectly nice. And this one have 4 screws for the BBS holding, so I love it. Okay, let's get screwdriver. I will catch all 4 screws to make sure that they are in a place. Okay, now I have the BBS here, and now I did one simple thing. Now I tested the voltage on the battery outgoing and ingoing. It's a 70.3, so that's good. And 3.46, 0.46, 0.46, almost 6. Okay, So it's basically perfectly balanced, and we have the stickers here, and of course we will use them. Okay, the spring I think will be here. It's not getting together really well, but I think I will be able to put it here. Probably it will be here, or maybe no. Okay, we will see. So what we need to do now, we need to take our solder and just solder a little bit. Okay, doke. So let's check now. We have the strip soldered. We can press the button and two lights come on. Mwah, nice. Okay. So what? Oh, it's avoid the battery. So now we know that this is a battery. That's nice, and I think it's a. Yeah, it's probably will go here, and this one will be here. Yep. So okay, I need to put the spring on this plastic piece. It feels a little bit Chinese when you join it together, but it is like it is. Okay. Where's my drill? Okay, maybe this one can be tightened a little bit. And okay, I have the gap here. Yep, nice. This one is working. And where is the button to check it? Okay, when you press it, you just check it. Okay, it's nice. So now we have 2 of 3 on both sides. Yeah, yep. Now the final test. Can we run it on a genuine Makita charger? No, of course no, because we don't have the yellow plug connector, so we can run it here, or Okay, let's try to boot the USB charger or something. Okay, have this cable and no, it's nothing. So of course it can be that the cable is just simply that. It just goes very loose here, and it seems that it's just not working. Okay, so we need to use the charger for this one, or I don't know how about Type-C. I need to check it, but this is the only one cable I have now. And okay, let's check it. And the phone is charging. So for the battery, I really don't know, but basically, well, I can charge it with iMax. Okay. Other question is, can it work with the Makita drill? Yep, it can, and it's a little bit hard to be removed. And okay, so it can be used with Makita drill, but can be used with the Makita charger. So I need to charge it for this one or to test the Type-C. But as you can see, it's easy to make the battery yourself, and that's all. Simple video. Press thumbs up and bye.